All right, so making a shortcut for a specific website is super easy, but there's one annoying issue that's very common, and I'll show you a solution for that. Chrome and pretty much all browsers have a feature that allows you to create a shortcut for a specific website. Let's say I want to be able to access this page about NBA schedule and scores with a single tap. I'll tap the three dots in the top right corner first, and from the menu that opens, we'll choose Add to Home Screen. I'll get a prompt asking if I want to install their mobile app, or if I just want to create a shortcut for the website that I can then access through my browser. I want the shortcut, so I'll choose that, and I can then rename this so it'll show with a custom name on my home screen. Some sites might be pushing hard for you to install the app, and sometimes you don't even see an option for a shortcut. If that happens, turn on airplane mode and disconnect Wi-Fi after you've loaded the page. That'll often force your phone to create a shortcut instead of downloading an app. Now my shortcut is on the home screen, and I can tap and drag it to my preferred position here. The problem is that a lot of sites are coded in a way that they'll force you to land on the front page when using a shortcut like this, and that's not what I wanted. I want to have a shortcut for a specific page, not the front page. If you can't get the Chrome shortcut to behave properly, you can use a free third-party app to create your shortcut. This one, for example, is great, and I'll link it in the description if you're interested. It allows me to create a shortcut for a specific URL, forcing my phone to land on a specific page, not just the home page. To set this up, I'll go to Chrome, I'll copy that address for that specific page that I want to land on, and then I'll go back to the Quick Access app to paste the address. The app also allows you to determine which browser opens the link, and once again, I can give a custom name to my shortcut. When I hit Done, the shortcut first shows within the app itself. So technically, you could just use the app as a collection of all your shortcuts here. I want this on my home screen, so I'm going to tap and hold it here, and then choose Add to Home. And to the home screen it goes. Now I can put this wherever I want on my home screen, and this time it actually takes me to the specific page that I wanted, not just the front page. Pretty annoying that Chrome can't do this, but this is a solid workaround if you're having the same issue. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.